Welcome. Problem number 7, always in free fall motion when an object is thrown vertically upward. Now problem 7. Problem 7. A stone is shot straight upward with a speed of 20 meters per second from a tower 200 meters high. Find the speed with which it strikes the ground. The speed with which it will hit our ground here. Otherwise V here. Yes. Now let's solve. Now this is a height from which my stone is shot upward. It goes up, goes up, goes up, and then it straight this. Now this height is given equal to 100 meters. Now the initial velocity here is given 20 meters per second. Now remember, this is an upward direction. I assume that it is always positive. Now, question to be used: V square equal U square negative 2JH. Now, using this fact, you find that V square equal U square negative 2JH is negative. This distance here, this displacement, another way, displacement, because my stone will go down in the opposite direction with my positive direction. Now you see this displacement of the stone is negative, so the Z minus sign. Now using this, we have V equal U plus 2JH. V square equal U is given in our problem. U is given here. A speed of you see here, U is given U square now replacing by its value, we have (20) square plus 2 times 10 value of gravity times 200. This is 8. Now we get 400 plus 4,000. We get 4,400 v square. Now the value of the velocity with which our stone will strike our ground will be equal to the square root of 4,400. We get 6.3 meter per second. Now this is a velocity, this is a speed with which it will streak. Problem number 8. Problem number 8. A balloon is at a height of 81 meter and is ascending upwards with a velocity of 12 meter per second. A body of 2 kilogram weight is dropped from it. If J equal 10 meter bar s square, when will the body reach the surface of the earth? When the body, this body, will streak this surface. Let's solve. Let's use h equal u t negative j t square. You see, we use this formula. Look, from the problem, I choose this upward direction as positive. This is positive direction, but my body here will moving in negative direction. Now its displacement will be negative. This means I have negative h equal u t over 2 jt square. I'm going to solve this equation for t to find the time at which my body will strike the ground. Now 0 equal positive h plus u t negative 1 over 2 j t square. Let's solve this quadratic equation. Rearranging, you have negative 2 j t plus ut plus 8 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation. We will solve for t. Solving for t, we have b, negative b, plus or minus b square minus 4ac and we have 2j. Here in our problem, b equal u, a equal negative 1 over 2 j, and c equal 8h. Now we have t equal negative u plus or minus have u square negative 4 negative 1 to j h over over 2a over 2 over 2 times negative j. Now we get negative u plus or minus u square plus 2jh over negative j. See? Now replacing u by its value, j by its value, and h by its value, because all of these are given in our problems. Because we have j equal 10, initial velocity equal 12, and h equal 81 meter. Now put in our equation get negative 12 here. See, negative 12 plus or minus 12 square plus 2 10 times now we get what do we get now over negative 10. Here we get okay. Now we have here we have two value. We have negative 12 positive 1764. Here we have two value of t. Now we get negative 12 positive 42 over negative 10. You get Now we get you see here we get positive 30 over negative 10. We find negative 3 seconds. This is a negative value. We have to discard it. It has no meaning in physics. But here, for second t, t2, this was t1, we have to use, see, negative 12, negative 42 over negative 10. We have negative 54 over minus 10. We have 5.4 seconds. We have to keep these. Now our object, our body here, this body will use, this body will take 5.4 seconds to hit the ground. Thank you for watching. In next video we will solve problem number 9.